Welcome to Process Control. I'm Tom Richmond. We are at the world headquarters in Atlanta in our lab today to show you our automatic scrap recycling system, commonly known as ASR. The ASR was introduced in the early 70s, revolutionizing how film manufacturers dealt with their scrap materials. The system consists of 5 components. We start with the inducer, which vacuums edge trim from your winder and then blows it to the grinder. After that, it enters our air eliminator, where we separate the scrap from the air as it enters into the grinder. The grinder then scissor cuts the material and blows the material into a cyclone. The cyclone again separates the air from the scrap as it enters the refeed, known as the RMX. Then the RMX auger feeds the material consistently into your extruder while being mixed in with virgin material. We offer inducers from 5 to 40 horsepower. The trim inducer conveys directly from the trim knives to the grinder utilizing an adjustable venturi, which allows you to adjust the velocity of airflow. The next section is the grinder and AEN air eliminator. The grinder is available in 4 different models ranging from 5 to 100 horsepower. As you can see, the air eliminator is mounted on top of the grinder. It allows the air to separate from the film being conveyed into the grinder and prevents fluff blowback from the cutting chamber. We have a manual feed chute for scrap to be hand fed into the grinder, as well as an optional roll feeder for roll scrap. Utilizing the roll feeder, roll scrap can be fed into the grinder at a rate of 30 feet per minute. The grinder is belt driven and is built with robust welded materials to ensure it lasts for a long time. The grinder can be opened utilizing a hydraulic lift system or a hand crank, depending on the size of the grinder. The cutting chamber comes in 4 sizes, and all of your cutting chambers have angled rotary knives that create scissor-like cuts, unlike our competitors that do more tearing than cutting. Our durable screens come in various sizes depending on your desired bulk density. Finally, the fluff blower blows the fluff into the cyclone that is mounted on top of the RMX refeed machine. The RMX refeed machine is the heart of the ASR system. There is a cyclone mounted on top of the RMX to remove the conveying air from the fluff, much like the air eliminator does on the top of the grinder. An auger with a bridge breaker at the top to prevent any bridging from occurring runs all the way down into the mixing area to ensure a consistent flow of material. The proximity switch is linked to the roll feeder and shuts off the roll feeder in the event the fluff chamber should fill up. Once the fluff flows back down and the proximity switch is uncovered, the roll feeder will start back up. This automatic system allows for little to no supervision. The viewing window allows you to see the fluff and resin being fed into the extruder. Each unit comes with a custom spool piece that allows for easy assembly to the extruder throat. The chute for the virgin material utilizes gravity to feed the material into the extruder along with the auger to allow a consistent ratio of fluff and virgin resin. There is also a drain for the virgin resin on the chute, allowing for quick and easy cleanout. The controls for the refeed machine allow you to adjust your manual speed and ratio. You can also see your motor speed, fluff levels, and if the roll feeder is currently on or off. In closing, I want to thank you for your time. If you should need any more information, please contact us at process-control.com.